Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the Dreame Matrix10 Pro. If you're interested in the Matrix10 Pro, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deal. So be sure to check those links in the description. Now let's go ahead, let's grab our Matrix 10 right here, and up at the top you'll notice that our vacuum's already on, and a restart is just a simple power cycle. We'll be turning it off and then back on. So press and hold the center middle button, that's the power button. It's going to shut down so we can see the lights here. They're still on, but we can let go because we had that chime. So give it a second to shut down. There we go, the lights are now off. Once you hear that music, you're good, it's shutting off. After it's been off for a couple of seconds, to complete the restart or reboot, we just need to turn the vacuum back on. So press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds here. There we go, the lights just illuminated, and now everything is powering back up. Again, it's a simple power cycle, turning it off and back on. It's not going to delete any data or anything along those lines, but now it's going to initiate again, and that's how you restart your Dreame Matrix 10.